Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at a simple but interesting inverter circuit built using power transistors. This project shows how we can convert low voltage DC into high voltage AC with very basic components. In this circuit, two TIP31C power transistors work in a push-pull configuration. They switch alternately and create an oscillating current, which allows the transformer to step up the voltage. The heart of this inverter is positive feedback. Each transistor helps turn the other one on and off, creating continuous oscillation without any IC or microcontroller. Power equation: P equals V times I. With a 12-volt supply and 5-amp current, the input power is about 60 watts. The transformer plays a critical role. Low voltage, high current AC on the secondary side is converted into high voltage AC on the primary side, close to 220 volts. This inverter is simple, low-cost, and easy to understand. It's perfect for learning power electronics and basic inverter concepts. The output waveform is not a pure sine wave. Efficiency is limited, and power losses increase with load. Proper heat sinking is essential for transistor safety. This project clearly shows how DC to AC conversion works at a fundamental level. With just a few components, we can achieve impressive results. When measured with a multimeter, the output voltage reaches around 227 volts AC, which is very close to standard mains voltage. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.